In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to centralize your customer team directory, install communication tracking features, manage sales progress with pipeline tools, review performance analytics, and deploy automation to scale outreach efficiently. We're going to walk through a practical workflow that helps bring your customer-facing operations into one organized system. The goal here is not just to tidy up information, but to make your team faster, more aligned, and better equipped to grow without unnecessary manual effort. First, centralize your entire customer team directory by importing all of your older internal roster lists. This means gathering the existing employee and team records that may currently live across spreadsheets, documents, or legacy systems, and moving them into one shared directory. As you do this, take a moment to clean up duplicates, confirm that roles are current, and make sure each person is grouped correctly by function or department. A centralized directory reduces confusion, makes collaboration easier, and gives everyone a reliable source of truth when they need to find the right contact quickly. Next, install corporate communication channel tracking features on all employee workstations. The purpose of this step is to create visibility into how communication flows across your organization approved channels. Once these tracking features are in place, teams can better understand response activity, engagement patterns, and communication consistency. As part of the rollout, make sure the setup is standardized so reporting remains accurate across every workstation. Consistency here is important because even small variations in installation can lead to incomplete data later on. After that, manage operational project sales progress using integrated pipeline tracking frameworks. This is where you begin turning activity into a clear visual process. A pipeline framework helps your team monitor where opportunities stand, what actions are needed next, and where bottlenecks may be slowing progress. Keeping this information integrated allows customer, sales, and operations teams to stay in sync rather than working from separate updates. Then, review regular performance analytics metrics to isolate high-value revenue drivers. Once your data is organized and your pipeline is active, analytics become much more useful. Focus on recurring patterns that show which activities, channels, or project types contribute most to revenue. Reviewing these metrics regularly